What's up, y'all? This is Jam bringing you another locking tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys the Scoobot. This is one of the most popular moves in locking and one of my personal favorites. It's super dynamic and there's a ton of different ways that you can mix it up, and I'm going to be showing you 5 of them right now. Let's do it.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Alright guys, so let's jump in right to the first most basic version of the Scoobot. Alright, what we're going to do first is go over our body motion, okay, and then we're going to add in the hands. So your body is going to swing side to side. At the same time, your leg is going to come out, okay? And so we're going to go out like this, and our heel is going to come down. Boom, right? Then we're going to step in, touch out on the other side, right? And our body swings over to this side. Then we're going to come up, we're going to step, and step, okay? A little bit quicker, looks like this. Boom, boom, step, step. Now we're going to add in the hands, all right? So the arms, this is just going to be a real basic version of the arms, and later in the video, I'll show you guys a couple different ways that you can mix up how to do your hands and just different ways to mix that up, okay? So, adding in the hands, we're going to come out straight across like this, boom, okay? We're going to create this picture here. Left leg is out, arms are straight across, body leaning to the right. Then we're going to step in and cross. Right leg comes out on the heel. We're going to come up, wrist roll, and then we're going to come around and clap at the same time. All right? A little bit quicker. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is the first basic version of the Scoobot.
Come on!
Moving into the second variation of the Scoobot, it's going to be very, very similar to the first version, but this time we're going to be kicking out our legs, okay? So instead of putting our heels down on the ground like this, okay, we're going to kick out our leg. Out, and out. Down, and down, okay? And then when we add in the arms, the same arms that we did the first time, boom, boom, roll, and clap. Okay? There's also another way that you could do this with your legs where you're swinging a little bit more. Okay? So instead of kicking and kicking, you can kick and kick. Yeah? So it's more of like a swing and kick, roll, down. Yeah? Boom, boom, boom.
Come on!
Going into version number 3, it's going to be very similar to the kick version, but now we're going to be jumping. Yeah, so it's jumping and kicking at the same time. So the way you do this one is going to start off the same as 2. Okay, so you're going to kick out, boom. Okay, now when you come to this other leg here, you're going to jump and kick, just like that. Okay, so a little bit quicker. It goes boom, boom. Then you roll and clap, yeah? Boom, clap, boom.
Come on!
Before we get to the next variation, if you guys are learning something and getting value out of this video, please smash that like button real quick, and let's get to the next variation. All right, moving on to the 4th variation of the Scoobot I'm going to show you today, and this is probably the most popular version of the Scoobot and like my personal favorite, and that is the Scoobot Hop Step. Okay, so the Scoobot Hop Step, you're going to start off the same way you would as if you're doing the kick out. Okay, so I'm going to show you the legs and the body first, and then we'll throw in the arms. Okay, so first you're going to kick out here, boom, that's 1. All all right? So the same way that you would do the kick out, you're gonna come up, out, all right? Now this leg is gonna come down and replace the other leg, and it's gonna kick up. As this comes up, you're gonna pull your knee up, and you're gonna switch down, okay? Now with momentum, there's gonna be a moment where you're in the air. So this right here, you're gonna swing up and down like that, okay? So just the legs and the body, looks like this. Up, out, ha, ha, ha. Just like that. Now we're gonna add into the arms, okay? So the arms, you're gonna come out, down, and there's different ways you can do this, but today I'm just gonna show you one. When you come up, you're gonna point and down. So your arms are just gonna go out, they're gonna swing down here across, they're gonna come up and point, okay? So with the body, with the whole thing together, boom, 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 boom. Yeah? So the rhythm is a little bit quicker. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, ta, ha, ta, ta. Just like that.
Come on.
So your fifth and final version of the Scoobot that I'm showing you today, not the only ones that are out there. The fifth one is going to be Scoobot down to the ground, okay? So we're gonna start this one off similar to the very first one, okay? So we're gonna start with our leg here, hitting down with our heel, okay? Now from here, we're gonna slowly drop down every time, okay? So I'm gonna cross, here, step down, I'm gonna roll, knee goes down, and I'm gonna slap the ground, and leg goes up, yeah? Come back up, a little bit quicker, looks like this. 1, 2, 3, slap the roach, yeah? And back up. So there's also a quicker version of this variation, okay? And instead of being on 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna go 1 and 2, okay? So the cadence is a little bit faster. What that looks like, you're gonna go 1 and 2, yeah? So you kind of skip out that wrist roll there. A little bit quicker, looks like this. 1 and a 2, come up, 3 and a 4.
Come on.
So now that you guys know 5 different ways to do the Scoobot, I'm just gonna quickly show you a couple different ways that you can do your arms, all right? And again, this is locking, so the #1 key is to be yourself and find out your own way and your own style within the style, okay? But I'm just gonna show you a couple different ways that you can play with your arms within the Scoobots, okay? So the first one obviously is just the most basic version. You're just gonna go straight out, here, wrist roll up, okay? Another way that you could do it is you could add a wrist roll right there. Boom, cross, wrist roll down, okay? And then another way that you could do it is instead of doing a wrist roll, you could do an arm swing, all right? So the arm swing comes from this elbow motion here, like this. So you would go out, cross, roll, and clap, yeah? And then as well, you don't even have to roll here if you don't want to. You could also go here, here, you could touch and down.
Come on.
Thank you guys so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, please hit me with a like for this video, drop me a comment, let me know how you're coming on with all these moves, and let me know, what kind of videos you would like to see in the future, any kind of tutorials that you'd like me to teach. I would love to hear and get your feedback on these videos. As always, shout out to the Drop Dance Studio for hosting this tutorial. Please hit the subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial when I drop one. Go ahead and pop a little click on that bell so you'll always get notified, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!